This is the ExCEL Award, and LG&E and KU and WHAS 11 have been partnering for over 30 years to present ExCEL Awards. They go to teachers who we know are going above and beyond in the community, and I feel like Miss Page is one of those teachers, don't you all? Yeah. All right, so without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and present this to you, Miss Page. Congratulations, you are an ExCEL Award recipient.
The most awesome thing about being a teacher is watching the metamorphosis of a quiet freshman or sophomore student change into a successful, strong, global citizen who will go out and change the world for the better. Regardless of the changes, one thing has remained constant over the years. I have always loved my students, and I pour into them everything I can to help them be successful and to make sure that they understand that their ideas matter and they can truly change the world for the better. I consider myself incredibly fortunate to be a teacher because I get to be surrounded by inspiration every day at the Louisville Male High School. So I want to end by giving real credit where credit is due. My students. Each and every one of you inspire me to be a better human. I may be your teacher, but you have given me some of my greatest life moments. Thank you for your open minds, your generous hearts, and your passion for leaving this world better than you found it. You are the reason I'm standing here now, and I'm very proud to be your teacher. Thank you.